Yo, what up in the shiz and nizzle? I'm gonna make this special little video, and you know what this video is about? My dedication to HD dead birdies, yeah. Let's watch some HD birdie marathon.
This bird is dead as shit. Look at the detail on this. HD dead bird.
Yeah, I could do Anthony of AnthWare Studio.
Oh yeah.
I'm the one who founded an Anthony of
Oh.
AnthWare Studio.
Yeah.
Dead bird.
It's dead as shit too. Yeah, anybody hungry? That bird is flat. Yeah. Flat. He's flat today. He's almost ready for dinner. Oh yeah, HD dead squirrel. Oh, he is fucked. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, check that out. It's a dead pigeon in HD. Oh, hell yeah. Look at how dead it is. Oh, look at that. That is one dead pigeon. Oh, sweet. Look at that. Oh, man. That's a dead pigeon. Pretty wild. Ooh, yeah. Here we go again. It's another digital HD dead pigeon. Oh, look at that. Oh, so cool. Pigeon poop everywhere. Look at that. It's a pigeon skeleton. Wow. This is some rare footage right here. No one on YouTube can find something like this. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Oh. Wow. A skeleton of a birdie. Look what the cat dragged in. Oh yeah, it's an HD dead birdie. Oh yeah. Here I go again, getting excited in a video over a dead bird again. Oh, look at the HDness of the quality. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, HD dead bird. Look at how dead it is. Oh, I just love finding dead animals on my way when I'm walking. Yeah, dead bird, you guys. Look at that. It's dead. Oh.
So there you go. There you have it. There's all the HD dead shit I can find laying on the ground. Some of them clips you guys have never seen. So after you're all grossed out, and I hope you were eating something while watching this, and you puked all over your keyboard. And yeah. This is Anthony from AnthWare, and from this time never to on, folks. Keep on clicking.